Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
76 degrees the air temperature. We have a dew point value of 74. Fairly quiet conditions across the Suncoast right now and fairly clear skies. I think we'll see some sunshine as we start the morning off along the coastline, and that sunshine, of course, will help to destabilize the atmosphere and bring us our chance of rainfall a little bit later in the afternoon. Now, some of the storms that form could produce some heavy rainfall today. There's still plenty of moisture in the atmosphere, but most of the rain showers that occurred this afternoon are going to be in inland areas, and that's where the heaviest of the rain will fall. Similar to yesterday, we had some 2-inch rainfalls around yesterday, but they were in Wauchula. So I think a lot of those rain showers again today will be in Hardy, DeSoto, areas of extreme eastern parts of Charlotte County perhaps. 20% chance of rainfall by about 9 o'clock this morning. Continue that on through the noontime hour, then a 40% chance as we head into the 3 p.m. hour, and then we'll trend it back down as we go into the evening. So right now we have plenty of rain showers close to our coastline and some heavy rainfall to the north of us, moving into areas around Cape San Blas up near Tallahassee. There's going to be some heavy rainfall up there. This is closer to the trough of low pressure, which has helped to destabilize the atmosphere in that location. We're kind of between this trough of low pressure producing that heavy rainfall in northern Gulf waters and a big ridge of high pressure providing basically cloud-free skies in parts of the Atlantic. That funnels the moisture up from the south, and I think the general motion of these storms from south to north will continue on again today. A lot of the rain showers we see out here kind of paralleling the coast, but because our coast has a bit of a slant out into Gulf waters, we could see a few of these showers kind of tag us through the morning hours. That's why I put in that slight chance of a rainfall, particularly as we head into 9, 10, 11 o'clock. Most of the rain, though, following the sea breeze in inland areas. As I mentioned, we had a couple of areas of concern for some inland lakes and streams. I put this information on our website, mysuncoast.com, of when we think they're going to max out, and I will update that information over the course of the next hour. Minor flooding anticipated in those locations. Hidden Acres, Peace River Estates, those locations that are kind of used to flooding are the locations where it's most likely to see some minor flooding. Pops of lightning out in Gulf waters again this morning, a hazard to boaters. Just be aware that those thunderstorms will probably be kind of consistent throughout the day. High pressure in the Atlantic, trough of low pressure in the Midwest stretching into the deep south provides us with that southerly wind flow. Our showers again today basically form from south moving to north, mostly along the spine of the state. Tomorrow, I think they might be a little bit closer to the coastline. We might have a little bit better chance of rainfall right along the immediate coast as we get a slight twist in our winds that'll bring us a more easterly wind flow. So for today, sun cloud mix, afternoon storms mostly, but drier this weekend, I think, and we might be able to even reduce our rain chance down to maybe 30%, a little bit lower than average as we get some drier air that might filter in here by Saturday or Sunday. Right now, I'll hold those rain chances at about 40% and start the 30% rain chance later, the beginning of next work week, but we might be able to move that timetable up just a bit. South wind coming in at about 10 to 15, kind of breezy this afternoon. A little bit of a surge of winds, 40% chance of showers today. We'll increase the rain chance a little bit with a twist in the winds tomorrow at about 50%. Then as we head into the weekend, some drier air starts to filter in, a little bit more sunshine, and rain chances reduced to 40% for Saturday and Sunday. The pattern of those storms will be a little bit different. They'll be more typical for this time of year. Building in inland areas, they'll drift back to the coast late in the day. Monday and Tuesday, the drier air firmly in place reduces rain chances to about 30%.